Hi, my name is Kylie Jones and I come from Carlin Powell. I think being here today showed me how many fields there are, how many things are important in society and the environment today, all of the fields you could go into, and here are some other things students had to say. What do you think about your presentation?
I think that it revolutionizes the world today since electrical engineering is like a main job to have right now.
Do you connect with this at all?
Yeah, since I want to become a mechanical engineer when I grow up, electrical engineer really connects to mechanical since we use electricity for our systems.
If there's lightning, you don't want to be taking off in an aircraft when there's lightning happening.
When I see the weather broadcasting, I didn't know there were 3 parts to flying. So there's the person that flies, the person that navigates, and then there's another third person that puts points and lights so that when they land, they can land perfectly.
Right now, I'm coding games on Scratch, like baseball games and ping pong with my team. Yeah, we're fixing debugs in our game for the FPS drops, delays, and all of the features.
I want to be like a software developer, make those, write down analysis, like what game doing this, what game doing that.
I've been coding Scratch games with my friend Omari, and we've been fixing bugs and making just any type of game to make it high.
Another thing is it actually helps with medical translations. So if you were speaking Spanish, Arabic, French, German, or Hindu, and we're still working on more languages.
Can we get you on here? Yeah, you look like a captain. So you design the ship in this interface and we can spin the boat around because it's a real 3D building environment, right? So this is like computer-aided design. Let's put one thing on the boat together. Let's go to the plus sign and let's choose a cargo. Let's see if there's a cargo you want. You want some helicopter? Oh, you don't have a helicopter. You don't need a helicopter. Let's put the pump equipment on. That way we can save a ship if we need to. And that's smart, right? You already know what to do. You put the weight in the center, right? That's the way we keep it very stable. Let's hit play, and this will take the ship out, and you can still spin around and see what's going on.
What did you do here?
We were doing the drone competition. The course was hard, landing was hard, but we got around it.
What are some of your career aspirations?
I'm going to school to be an art teacher, art therapist, and then going to the Air Force.
Some things I want to do is basically be an engineer, computing engineer. I'm planning to go to college right now and trying to do a part-time college, part-time National Guard.
What did you do here today?
I went to that table. They told me about the STEM scholarships. I listened to them. I got some of the pamphlets. I do plan to follow up with them. Then I went to the flight sim, which was pretty fun. Had the stick. I was able to fly like a mock F-16. That was pretty cool.
What is a career aspiration?
I do want to commission into the Air Force to become a U.S. Air Force fighter pilot.
I learned how to actually stop blood from a patient's leg from coming out and bleeding up to 6 hours before the limb is non-reusable again.
Did you see anything that acquired your interest?
How to stop blood, because when I get older I want to be a brain surgeon.
Okay, what are some of your career aspirations?
It's to join the Army and become a 91 Charlie, which is utilities repairman.
Do you have any career aspirations?
As of right now, since I've seen a lot, I'm interested in most of them. So as I go to my senior year, next year, I'm gonna narrow down some options.
What impressed you the most?
What impressed me the most was all the opportunities that the Air Force gave them when they're in the weather career. So they just said they travel and then they communicate with other countries as well. So it's I thought that was really nice because I love other cultures and opportunities to visit new places.
Have you seen or talked to anybody here that has impressed you?
Actually, the students were all very impressive today. The first group in here was from Prince George's Christian Academy, and very professional, ready to go. In fact, all the students really kind of know where they want to go in their lives. So they've really thought it through, what kind of careers, and most of them were aviation based.
They're showing their genuine interest in these topics, which is a joy to hear from, from our point of view and our standpoint, to hear them come in and be excited about what they're talking about.
I am truly excited because our team, future drone pilots, are the flyers representing what we say PGCA. These young people, grades 6, 7, and 8, are here today competing against high school students. As far as an experience for all children, every child should have experiential learning, and that's what this opportunity does for children. It allows them to put into practice those things that they're learning every day.
Today, the students from 5 area high schools presented careers that looked at space technology, drone pilots, microelectronics, some advanced materials. All of these are critical technology areas that the Department of War heavily invests in to maintain their technical superiority.
Yeah, just like how knowledgeable everybody is about their own topic. You know, they research months in advance, and it shows.
So I found out about a new career field called the debris analyst. I've always told the young people each year is keep themselves open, because the career paths that were in effect when I was young, there's so many more. So just stay open to the emerging technology and the capability.
Events like this summit open doors that you may never even knew existed. I hope that this event introduced you to people in aerospace, STEAM, and the military that showcase that careers aren't distant or out of reach. They're real, they're attainable, and are meant for people just like you.